Okay, so I got the silly son of a gun thing stood up, and I pressed a button. I don't know how to use a damn phone to record pause, and I hit pause. You figured it'll just start up. Anyways, I'm seeing back here. There's looks like maybe those brass inserts. Now, I think there's some screws back there too. I don't know what the heck that is. But I don't want to try to remove this needle because I'm going to end up breaking it. I'm not trying to break it, I'm trying to fix it. So that goes around there. So let's see what kind of action we got here. If I turn this knob, well, that's not so bad, is it? Am I all the way over? Oh, I'm all the way over. Okay. Huh. Look out. May have fixed it. All right, so let me tighten this screw up here. Yeah, it'd have been really good to have a, what do you call it? Some good videos on this. I don't understand why the equipment is so aged and old. I couldn't find any instruction on how to fix, repair, maintain, calibrate. It's very interesting. Maybe they don't want these videos out there, so maybe Mitutoyo will say, hey, you need to take that video down, we'll pay you. Alright, so let's see this action here. It seems to be running really smooth. So this is just playing the gear. But it's reacting. Nice. I like it. Look at, guys, you fixed it. Anyways, looks like we've done it. Make sure we're still working there. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, look at that. Can you see it? So this is just normal play that's in this plastic knob, and that's the movement. Well, there you go. If you want to adjust your Mitutoyo, I'm going to try to link these two videos together, but if not, go look at the other video because that shows the inner workings of it. So now all I got to do is get this bezel back on, and I got my needle. Yeah, it looks like witch's nose. It's all bent, crooked, but should be fine. It's just got to point to a number. There you go. Well, we didn't break it. Looks like we fixed it. A $60 height gauge, 24-inch, and I did a little cleaning up on it already. And internally, I did clean that up. So looks like I made out in this deal this time. It doesn't always work out that way, does it, when you buy off the internet? All right. Have fun with yours.